Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about free PayPal money cash codes for 2021. So I'm at the website right now, and what I'm going to do is show you how this website works. And I'm going to go ahead and go into my account, show you how the website operates, and show you how to get PayPal money cash codes. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Give me a like. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method, and share this all around the internet and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Because once I get to 6,000 subscribers, a lucky person is going to win some free money. All you have to do is follow those instructions that you saw at the beginning of this video. Now, I don't want to waste any more time. Let's go ahead and get into this method right about now. And I'll tell you the name of this website in a minute. So, as you can see here, you're going to be completing paid online surveys. You're going to earn points and redeem for cash and gift cards. Now, it's free to sign up. You can sign up through Facebook. And here are the top rewards you can redeem for. So, Amazon gift card, PayPal money, Google Play gift card, PlayStation, Roblox, and Apple or iTunes gift card. Now, this is how this site works. They're looking for members and survey takers, and they want your opinion on market research, surveys, and you're going to earn points. And then you're going to redeem those points for gift cards and PayPal rewards, which is PayPal money. So you just click here to sign up. And as you can see right here, it's been seen on Trustpilot, Survey Police, and I think the site Jabba. Anyway, this site right here is very, very reputable site. It's been around for a while. I've talked about it before in the past. So guys, you need to sign up for this site. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account and show you how it looks inside, and show you how you can get the PayPal money cash codes. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Now I'm logged in, and the name of this website is Prize Rebel. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. So you're going to see earn, where you can earn with surveys. You're going to see an offer wall, and you're going to be able to watch videos and earn. And again, the rewards, you go here to get the rewards. You have your rewards history. They have testimonies right here. You can submit yours right here if you want to give your testimony about this site. And they also have raffles, so you can win raffles. You get your lucky numbers here, contests, and your winning numbers right there. So let's just go over some of the surveys that they have here. So they have this survey right here. You can get 70 points because you're going to accumulate points and redeem those points in for the gift cards or for PayPal money. Yeah, you get 71 points right here for doing this survey. And they got great offer walls. Here's another survey for 40 points. Now, what I'm going to do is show you a way you can get the PayPal cash codes. So let me go there right now. All right, guys, I went to the PayPal page, and as you can see here, this is where you get the PayPal money. And what you can do, you can get a custom amount. So when you click here, all right, so you can put in a custom amount. So you can put in $100 if you want to. And all you got to do is just click on claim this amount, and you're going to get an email, and the email is going to have the code where you can claim your $100 PayPal money. But you got to require this many points, and it's going to be real easy to acquire this many points. As you can see, when I logged in, you see I got 10 points already. I got that just for signing up. So all you got to do is just go to any one of these. You go to survey, you can go to offer walls. Let's go to offer walls right quick. So you can go to offer walls, do any of these offers. Look at it, 331 points just for this offer, 375. Look at this right here, 800, it looks like it said 828 points. So you can get over 1,000 real quick, guys, no problem at all. Now let me just go back and show you the other rewards if you're interested. So again, they got Amazon. All you need is 500 points to get Amazon a $5 gift card. And if you just want to get $5 PayPal money, all you need is 500. You can get that off of one of those offer walls or one of the surveys. So guys, look at all these gift cards. They have more loading. They have a lot on here, guys. So let's just look at the videos. Here are the videos. So now the videos are the amount is kind of low, but it only takes a few seconds to look at these videos. Well, a few minutes to look at these videos, and you earn that amount. All right, guys, that's all I want to say about this website. This website is a very good website, been around for a long time, and they always been offering these PayPal cash codes for a while now. So if you want to go ahead and start getting some PayPal money cash codes, go ahead and go to Prize Rebel, sign up, and start getting this money. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all. And share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, if you made it all the way to this point, type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now, and it's going to increase your chances to becoming the winner of the free money giveaway once I reach 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning in. One more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on.